I'd never fall this hard again. But here I am, losing myself like then. Your eyes are like a bottle I can't refuse. One little taste and I'm already bruised. Friends keep saying I should walk away, but my heart keeps choosing you anyway. I'm drunk on love, stumbling through the night, chasing every memory like a blurry light. I know it might hurt, but I can't give up. Call me a fool, I'm still drunk on love. Every song reminds me of your name. Every street we walk still feels the same. I try to be stronger, try to pretend, but love is a fire that burns to the end. Maybe you'll never feel the way I do. Still every heartbeat runs back to you. I'm drunk on love, lost but holding on, dancing with the shadows till the pain is gone. Maybe I'm broken, but it's not enough to make me stop being drunk on love. If loving you's a weakness, then let me be weak. I'd rather feel the hurt than live a life that's bleak. I'm drunk on love. Even if I fall, I'll keep on believing you were worth it all. And if tomorrow I wake up alone, at least I loved you with all I own.